Hello, I'm Alex Falls. Welcome to Radio Play, Standing Seam Metal Roofing Training Center. Today is cuts out of the double lock standing seam. Philosophers look at the coloring drawing of straight dog-eared upstand. Attention! In the studio, a coloring drawing. Fold lines inward, drawn with a red marker. Fold lines outward, drawn with a blue marker. The hatched area indicates cuts out, undercutting of male leg and female leg. Philosophers have been invited to the microphone. They are looking at the coloring sheet. They speak one by one. First, Martin Heidegger. Martin Heidegger. Red and blue, these are merely Präsentathand, a diagram and instruction, vorhanden. But where is the being of the fold? The hatched area. That is where it slips away. Here the fold does not obey presences. Dasein, ask the red line. Are you really inward, or do you only appear to be? Ask the hatched area. Are you here to be, or to evade? The seam is silent, but its silence is the answer. The stillness of the right gap. Geodelius. No, not a tree, not a hierarchy. Look, the red lines connect with the blue lines, not according to the rules of the drawing. This is a rhizome, the hatched area. A rhizomatic node. Any fold leads to any other. 9 mm connects to 11 mm, 38 mm, to the transition point. No center, only multiplicity. Weakening. That is the rhizome in action. The fold does not obey geometry, it crawls, connects, scatters. Remove the correct, incorrect stamp. Think, connects, does not connect. Gilbert Simondon. The fold coloring sheet is not an instruction. It is a recording of individuation. The sheet became a fold not at the moment of bending along the red line, and not at the moment of closure along the blue line. It became a fold at the moment of weakening, in the hatched area. This is the negative trace of becoming. Without it, we would have a dead, fully determined object. Weakening says, I still remember how I was not myself. The finished compact assembly, that is the become, but not the petrified. Michel Foucault. Look inside the double fold, not from above, from within. Do you see? This is a heterotopia, a special space where the laws of the outside world are suspended. In the hatched area, the metal is simultaneously compressed and free. A different time operates here. Not linear, but cyclical, the time of weakening and tension. The compact assembly is a model of heterotopia. A beginner looks inside and sees a device of otherness. The fold is a place where the norm ceases to operate. Bruno Latour. Stop. You forgot about the actors. The fold coloring sheet. It's not just you and the metal. There's wind, rain, snow, temperature fluctuations, capillary wicking, building settlement, even the spray foam that a worker slapped in the wrong place. The hatched area is where these non-human actors get a voice. Ask the weakened flange, who's in charge right now. If it springs back, the answer, everyone equally. If it cracks, me, the metal, but I'm tired. Weakening is a parliament where even molecules vote. Jacques Derrida. Hatching, not color, not line, trace, of that which is not present but which remains after. You undercut the flange, metal disappeared, but difference appeared, and this difference is the condition of tightness. Full presence, 3 thicknesses, 3T, eliminates the gap and therefore tightness itself. Near presence is necessary. Trace. The fold speaks through that which is not in it. Vol. Manuel de Landa. Forget about forms. Think about intensity. Raid. It's not just bend inward. It's a gradient. Light red, weak bend, dark red, dangerously close to rupture. The hatched area. A phase transition point where intensity changes sign. Weakening shifts this point. You are not cutting metal. You are redistributing its internal energy. Map the singularities, where the metal screams and where it sings. Ludwig Wittgenstein. Don't ask what does weakening mean. Look at how it is used. In rough assembly, one language gain. I'm too tight, I'm creaking. In finish assembly, another. I'm breathing, I hold without straining. The hatched area, the rule for switching between games. The fold is not silent. It simply switches to another language. Your task is to hear which language it is speaking now, and to speak to it in the same one. Georg Simmel. Here is what I see. A wall. A double lock standing seam without cuts out. That is a continuous wall of metal. And the hatched area, that is a door. A door does not destroy the wall, it creates a threshold. The threshold connects and separates at the same time. 2 thicknesses of metal. 2T, the perfect door. 3. already a wall. Tightness is impossible. The double lock standing seam will either crack or not close. Cuts out teach the beginner to distinguish a door from a wall. Do not break open. Jean-Luc Nancy. Touching. Non-fused touching. The inner fold and outer fold must almost touch. The hatched area. The distance at which touching remains touching and does not become compression. If they close completely, 3T, the gap disappears and touching itself disappears. They become one, but die as a pair. Cuts out preserve the distance at which touch lives. That is why 2T is a sacred number. Touch, but do not merge. Georg Wilhelm Friedrich Hegel. Aufhebung. Sublation. Rough assembly. Thesis. Rigidity. Excess. Flanges stick out. Weakening. Antithesis. Destruction of false wholeness. Finish assembly. Synthesis. But synthesis does not discard, it preserves. The weakened flange remembers that it was rigid. This memory is the hatched area. The beginner who sees the hatching sees the history of the spirit of the fold. Truth is not in the final product, but in the process of becoming that is sedimented within it. Michel Serres. The parasite. Noise. Without a parasite, an ideal system does not work. Red and blue. That is pure signal, but it is false. Too pure, it doesn't transmit. The hatched area, that is noise. Crackle, an extra millimeter, a mallet turn half a degree short, and it is precisely this noise that turns the signal into a message. Cut out, the parasite that ensures communication between the sheets. Without it, the fold either jams or leaks. With it, it breathes and serves. Thank the parasite, it is your best friend. The philosophers fall silent. The coloring drawing lies on the table. Red and blue lines, straight, clear. The hatched area, slightly crumpled from being pointed at. It is silent. This is agreement. You have listened to the radio play Cuts Out of the Double Lock Standing Seam. The text was written for the paper workshop asked the seam may be used to tune a beginner's hearing before working on the roofing simulator.
Благодарность философа. Наш фраги-дизайн. Это спроси у Фальца.
Я правильно говорю. Кто говорит сложно? Ха-ха-ха. Слушай сюда, я спрессовал 10 лет опыта в один самоучитель фальцевой кровли для плотников. Твоя столярная мастерская взорвется баблом.